Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a basic flow in your Chatrace account. So once you log into your account, you will get into here and just click on flows and click the add button. Definitely if you haven't created any flows yet, you will have the welcome message and the default reply. So what you want to do is to create, if you plan to create another flow, just click on the add and you can rename it. So let's have it here, testing or create a basic flow. All right. Once you click OK, you will be redirected to this flow builder. It's going to be a blank page with one block, send message, and a start button here. All right. So let me just move my camera here. Okay. You can click on it and you will see different, click on the add contents and you see the different types of content that you can add inside your block, rather your step. So this thing, you call this a step. Okay, so these options are called blocks. So let me say I would like to add a text block. There you go. Now, you can also see here the message type. Once you click on this, you will see different options. Now, probably you would ask how come on your screen you can see Viber, Telegram, WhatsApp, and other channels. So for this one, we have only these three channels, but it doesn't matter because we want you to create your chatbot in Messenger. So for now, omni-channel, let me tell you what omni-channel is. Omni-channel means this is accessible in almost all channels, meaning pwede siya sa Messenger, sa Instagram, sa Viber. Okay, so for now, I'll just leave it omni-channel. Okay, now let's start creating our text block. Let's have our, kung ano may isusulat nyo rito, ito yung lalabas sa chatbot nyo. Okay, let's have it. Okay, hello. And if you want to personalize it, click on this and click on first name. Since you're doing this in Messenger, kukunin niya yung first name ng tao dun sa account, personal account ng tao. Hello, first name, and let's have a wave here. Welcome to Botcamp. Okay. And let's have another emoji here. There you go. Botcamp. Or we can use the robot bot. There we go. Then let's add another content. We'll add the typing. So you can increase this. Okay. Depende sa'yo. I prefer to use just 2 seconds. And this makes it more like a bit more realistic. So may nagta-type, hindi siya basta nagpa-flood the messages. So let's add another block, a text block. How can I help you today? And let's add a smile. It's nice to add these emojis, which makes the conversation lighter. Okay, so if you notice, in each block, we have the add button. Please be reminded that you can only add until 3 buttons. Okay, now let's add here. Let me add the first button. See programs, and I like this. This one. Like that. And I'd like to save that. Don't forget to save it. And contact us. Okay. Let's put the phone there. Save. Alright. Now, if you plan to add an image, yes, you may, and yes, you can. You click on the image here, and let's upload an image like this. So if you notice, you can actually add a link instead. So if you have a specific link in the internet or um, in the web, you can add it here. Just add that there. Okay. So for now, I do not have that. Let me just add this one. So obviously, I want this image at the top of my block. So I do not have to delete everything and start again. What I can do is just click and hold in this arrow, drag it on top, and there you go. The image is at the top of the block now, of the whole step. Now, okay, let us add uh, directions to this button. So once they click and see programs, what we want is to deliver them to a different step. Let's add that. How did I do that? Click, hold, click, drag, and release the button. Okay, very easy. So for this one, let's have this. Here are the programs we have for you. And we can add images or cards. Cards are basically, these are very useful. This is a combination of text and image at the same time. But this has a limitation in size. So, hindi pwede masyadong malaki, mahaba yung image. Hindi rin siya pwede masyadong malawak kasi napuputol siya. The perfect size of this is 900 pixels by 900 for the square. Take note of this. And let me just put this. And I think 900 pixels by 460, if I believe. Okay, so if you're going to edit in your Adobe or Canva, please take note of this. Okay, so you can add an image as well here. So um, let's add an image. There you go. So this is a 900 by 900. If I put a long image, example this one, putol yan. If you see, putol siya. So regardless if it's square or rectangle, you can change its size. It did not fit these dimensions, putol yan. So you have to edit those pictures. Now, if you want to show this one as a whole, well, you have to put it as an image para mas makita siya ng isang buo. There you go, buo siya. Okay? Now, let me remove that and let me just remove this card. Wait, before I remove that, you can add as many cards as you want. So, by just clicking the plus button. So, cards and carousel are the same. Carousel starts with 2 cards. Okay, they're just the same. So, if you want to transfer the very first card and the second, click, hold, and drag. Okay, so nandyan na siya. I do not know why, bakit niya nakopya yung image, but I think that is a bug. But nonetheless, you can just change it and click on it. Okay? Very easy. And just click on the X there, remove na siya. So if you want to remove this, do not click this X. Click on this X inside the square para ma-remove. Click on the card that you want and remove. And that is it. Now, this is a bug. Okay? So, pero if you notice, wala na yung description kanina. Okay? So, very easy. Let me just remove this. Just make it faster. Okay? And this one, create, and I'll put the text block. Here are our details. Let me put here the phone. Click so 91 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And let's say we'll add the email. There you go. carlo@works@work.ph. There you go. And I'll just add another button here. Home button. Home. I'll just put that home. So once they click home, they go back to the main menu. Now, one thing I want you to understand is how do I make this more organized or easier when, how is it going to be easy for me to troubleshoot pag may problem? So what I want is to rename. There's a rename here. I will rename each step according to what it shows. So this one is showing the welcome message. Here is show programs. Let's say nandyan yung cards. This one, contact details. Show contact details. Not a lot of builders use this kasi tinatamad sila. That's fine. Actually, this is no bearing when you create, but I tell you, this will be a big factor once you create a huge flow, complicated flows. It's easier for you to detect, especially when you're dealing with, you have more more than you more than one builder ang nagtatrabaho sa flow nito. Mas madali ma-track. Okay? So, after creating the flow, click publish, and what we want is to preview. So, click this preview button here, preview, and we will go to Messenger. Click on Messenger, preview. So, ito, lalabas siya. Okay. Hello, Carlo. Welcome to Botcamp. Now, see programs. And let's just click contact us. First, so lalabas yan yung details. Yes, we set it up. Click home. Babalik siya doon. Botcamp. And there's the typing, 2 seconds. There you go, see programs. See program. Bakit wala lumabas? Let us check. Nakakabit ba? There. Here are the programs we have for you. There you go. Now, ayan. So that's basically how to create a basic flow. There's a lot more that you can do. You can just really explore, check on cards, carousel, videos you can add, GIFs, very fun. These are cool stuff here. Happy. There you go. Nalabas yan. Hello. Oops, sorry. What did I just do? There you go. Ayan. So, please be reminded, videos and GIFs, kung medyo malaki yung file nila, medyo you have to consider the speed of the internet ng ating users. Okay? Kasi pag mas malaki yung file, mas mabagal mag-load. Okay? So, there you go. Have fun, enjoy, explore. If you have any questions, we are just one message away. I'll see you in the next video.